Oh, hey guys, welcome to What's Poppin' with Hagens. We're at our campsite today, here till Thursday or Friday. Fire was already hot. All we did was throw wood on here. Someone left this unattended. So now we took over. Here's the camper. We are only allowed to have a generator on until 8 o'clock at night. So at night, I hope the temperature drops. For some reason, I see this in every YouTube video when I watch YouTube. Maybe I should have one too outside, right? There's Jaden. Out here doing a hike. Day one, camping 4 days to 5 days out here in Hampton. It's in Lakeland. It's a free campsite. It's hot. Gonna go back and turn the generator on to hook up for the camper so we can cool it down for a bit, because the generators are not allowed on until after 8 o'clock. Not until, but after 8 o'clock. You gotta shut them off. It's gonna be hot. So that I didn't really know what. Getting ready to cook some ribs on here. Got a pallet to burn. Burning that box. Our view for the next 4 days. Good morning, day number 2. Got the fire going. Generator going in the backyard. This is the view I woke up to. Got the generator going. That stayed on most of the night. It was hot last night. Look at this. That's non-potable water. Do not drink that unless you boil the heck out of this. That looks like pee-pee, but that's from this right here. Y'all gonna take a walk with me. Right here. The only thing it's good for is taking a shower, and that is it. And using it for your septic tank. The boys are down there. Well, Jaden is. We met a friend, so I think they're out there right now. Alright, working on my Dutch oven chicken. Just put this one in. It's hot. Bunch of onions this time to give us some flavor. That's the only way I cook my chicken now, is in this Dutch oven. What do you guys think? You guys ever had a Dutch oven chicken? Leave a comment in the section below and let me know. Man, this is a beautiful view. Look at that. Man, I love that camper. Alright everyone, so it's hot out there. I have the generator on, I'm charging my phone, I got the fans going. I have the AC off because the compressor's broken, so I'm not using those fans. But sitting here watching Modern Marvels. And yeah, laying down on my new pillow. So if you guys haven't yet, please subscribe, like, and comment on my station, on my channel. What are you doing, buddy?
Getting the plaque off my teeth.
Getting the what?
Plaque off my teeth.
Oh.
You should have been doing that. It's all of life. It just depends on how you handle it. If you handle it like a freaking maniac, then it'll be a maniacal thing all the time. But if you look at that guy, and you laugh at it, maniacal.
Just about to get knocked out. Way too much. What about the short field?
Beef stew. What's for dinner? Alright guys, it's the last day here. Heading out tomorrow morning. It's been hot. The compressor went out on the camper. So the only thing I can use is the high fan, low fan, and any other fans that I got going on. Got the fire going still. Compressor's in the back. There's some beer cans and bottles. I mean, we ain't survival camper. We're having fun. Jaden's been playing across the way with a kid named Liam and his mom, I think Jessica. She's in the military. She's got a YouTube channel too. I mean, it's been fun. I mean, I hate to go home, but I can't deal with the heat no more. It's just too hot. At night, the temperatures finally drop, and then throughout the day, you just gotta sit there and man out. You gotta man up and just deal with the heat. But tomorrow's high is like 59, I think, so it's gonna be good for packing up. But all right, guys, take it easy. Hey everyone, it's the last day. We're going home. We're done. We out of here. It was 46 last night. It felt great.
No, it didn't.
It was amazing for me. He was cold. Camper's a mess. We're breaking down. That's where we were sleeping at right there. But yeah, I like this place. You can only come out here once for like a week at a time, but I think I'll be doing this place again. I do like this place a lot. Hampton is nice, except for the fact that they got non-potable water and it smells like doo-doo, and you got a shower in it, and it's like, oh. But when you do dishes, you got to use hot water, so that way it's clean washing your dishes, so it's not sitting there, and then if you eat something, you got mud butt all day. But thank you guys again. I had fun. Jaden had a great time. You want to say anything to the camera?
Hi.
That's all you ever said. Hi.
And we got that yellow. I'm not yellow. The red YouTube play button thing.
Oh yeah, it's over there
Fix that
somewhere.
yellow.
But yeah, he had a good time. I mean, this camper's nice. We were watching satellite TV today.
I kept getting.
We're watching the game channel, having some fun. Jimmy went to work, but hanging back over the door. But we had a good time. Thank you guys. Remember, if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button. Leave a comment in the section below. Tell me what you like, what you don't like. You're not going to hurt my feelings. Alright guys.